In this video, we will show you how you can install the Advanced 2017 extension for Revit 2017. If you start Revit 2017, you will notice that the Advanced extension is not available by default in the Add-ins menu. You can access the Autodesk App Store by clicking the Autodesk App Store button in Revit 2017. You can find the app you want to install by using some categories such as Autodesk Revit and then interoperability. Once you have found the Advanced 2017 extension, you can click on it to reach information such as product description, download details, and screenshots. Compatibility is also displayed on the right of the app description page. Then click on the blue button that says Download. Sign in with your Autodesk account if not done yet. You can save the MSI file or press the Run button to start installing the Advanced 2017 extension on your computer. Once the installation has finished, go back to the Add-ins menu in Revit 2017 and you will see that the extension is now available.